Welcome to a realm where nature's playbook gets tossed out the window, where animals defy expectations and biology bends in unbelievable ways. In this world, fathers become mothers, body parts take on lives of their own, and survival is a game of creative adaptation. Prepare yourself. These 10 astonishing animal reproduction stories will turn your understanding of the natural world upside down. Let's start with the seahorse. Everyone knows them for their elegant curves and slow-motion swim, but what makes them jaw-dropping is that it's the males who get pregnant. Female seahorses deposit eggs into a special pouch on the male's body, and he carries the developing young until they're ready to be born. Imagine if human dads could check into maternity wards instead of mums. It flips the script on everything we think we know about parenthood. But that's tame compared to the anglerfish. In the crushing depths of the ocean, finding a mate is nearly impossible. So nature came up with a gruesome solution: males that literally fuse into females. A tiny male latches onto a much larger female, his body slowly dissolving until only his testicles remain, permanently attached. From then on, she carries him around like a built-in fertilization kit. Creepy? Definitely. Effective? Absolutely. If you thought love bites were bad, wait until you meet the bedbug. Their mating ritual is called traumatic insemination, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Instead of using the female's reproductive tract, the male stabs his partner anywhere on her body with a needle-like organ and injects sperm directly into her bloodstream. Scientists think this evolved as a brutal shortcut, but for the females it's a deadly gamble. Many die from infections or wounds. Now picture this: a slug dangling from a tree, spinning in circles with its partner in a shimmering dance. That's the leopard slug's mating ritual, which ends with both slugs inserting enormous glowing blue reproductive organs that can tangle so badly they sometimes have to chew them off. Nature, apparently, doesn't believe in clean breakups. On the other hand, flatworms have turned reproduction into a sword fight. They're hermaphrodites, meaning each one has both male and female organs, but when it's time to mate, neither wants to be the mom. So they duel with their needle-like penises, stabbing each other until one loses and is forced to carry the fertilized eggs. Scientists call it penis fencing, and yes, it's every bit as bizarre as it sounds. Then there's the banana slug, another hermaphrodite, with a strange twist. When two slugs mate, sometimes the male organ gets stuck inside the partner. Instead of working it out politely, the solution is, well, gruesome. One slug simply chews off the other's penis. Don't worry, though. These slugs can still reproduce as females afterwards, so they carry on as if nothing happened. The Surinam toad takes body horror to another level. After mating, the female's back skin grows soft and spongy. The male presses fertilized eggs into her flesh, where they sink in and develop beneath the skin. Weeks later, fully formed baby toads crawl out through holes in their mother's back, like something out of an alien invasion movie. It's unsettling to watch, but in the wild, survival often trumps comfort. For the redback spider, sex is a death sentence, and that's the point. During mating, the male somersaults onto the female's jaws, offering himself as food while he transfers sperm. The female eats him alive, and oddly enough, this sacrifice actually increases the chances of his genes surviving. In other words, he literally gives his life for fatherhood. Meanwhile, the spotted hyena has one of the most puzzling systems in the mammal world. Females develop a pseudo-penis, an enlarged clitoris through which they both urinate and give birth. Delivering cubs this way is incredibly dangerous. Many die in the process. But the pseudo-penis also makes females the dominant sex in their society, controlling access to food and mates. In the hyena world, power and reproduction are inseparable. Finally, let's talk about the clownfish, which you probably know from Finding Nemo. In every group, there's a strict hierarchy. One dominant female, her male partner, and several smaller males. But if the female dies, something astonishing happens. The male changes sex, becoming the new female, while one of the smaller males matures into her mate. Gender isn't fixed for clownfish, it's flexible, shifting with the needs of the group. Each of these creatures has taken the same basic biological goal: reproduce, and reinvented it in ways that seem grotesque, beautiful, or downright alien. What's clear is that survival doesn't care about our sense of normal. It rewards whatever works, even if it means males giving birth, lovers stabbing each other, or babies bursting through their mother's back. The animal kingdom's imagination makes our own look boring in comparison, and it leaves us with one unforgettable truth. In evolution's game, strange often wins.